Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are gonna learn how to block someone on EA games. If you want to block someone on EA games, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in ea.com in it and search. You'll then come across the official website for Electronic Arts. Make sure you're logged into your account. After you're signed in, go to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. In the expanded menu, click on Account Settings. After you open up this Account Settings page, go ahead and click on the Manage 2FA Setting button at the top right corner, and underneath it, you'll see a Blocked Users button. Click on that. Now on the next page, enter an EA ID or email address of a user you want to block. After typing it down, click on Block and you have successfully blocked a user. If someone is spamming, being toxic, or you just don't want to interact with someone, this will help you block the contact immediately. After you are done with the blocking, they won't be able to message you or send friend requests. You can also unblock them whenever you want later. So that's how you block someone in EA games easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.